Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all of you in new lesson of e-lecture PK. I hope all of you will be fine and happy and learning many new things from my lessons. I just want to say thanks to all of you for appreciating and liking my lessons. In today's lesson, we will study about important political abbreviations with a small description of all these abbreviations. So let's start our today's lesson. So the first abbreviation is CAR, that is stand for Central African Republic. Its total land area is about 620,000 square kilometers. Total population is 4.7 million. Ongoing civil war is happening there since 2012. Due to that, a nationwide state of emergency is in force. Its airspace is closed for foreign governments and NGOs, etc. It is a country with rich natural resources like uranium, crude oil, gold, diamond, cobalt, lumber, and hydropower. It is 10th poorest country of the world according to the data of World Bank. Its GDP is also very low. CAR सेंट्रल अफ्रीकन रिपब्लिक के लिए स्टैंड होता है और ये अफ्रीका के गरीब तरीन ममालिक में से एक है. नेक्स्ट इज़ PNG, दैट इज स्टैंड फॉर पापाया न्यू गिनी. Humans arrived here around 42,000 to 45,000 years ago. It is third largest island country of Oceania. Its total area is about 462,840 kilometers. It is a country in Oceania and is the largest and most populated Pacific island country. It is most linguistically diverse countries in the world. 851 non-languages are spoken here. PNG पापाया न्यू गिनी के लिए स्टैंड होता है और इंसान यहाँ पर 42,000 से 45,000 साल पहले आए. ये ओशनिया कॉन्टिनेंट का सबसे लार्जेस्ट आइलैंड है और ये अपनी ज़ुबानों के लिहाज से पूरी दुनिया में मशहूर है. यहाँ पर तकरीबन 851 ज़ुबानें जो हैं वो बोली जाती हैं. नेक्स्ट इज़ CDR, दैट इज स्टैंड फॉर कॉन्गो डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक. इट्स इनफॉर्मल नेम वाज कॉन्गो किंशासा. इट इज़ सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इन अफ्रीका and 11th largest in the world. Its population is 108 million. This country was inhabited by Central African foragers around 90,000 years ago. It gains its independence from Belgium on 30 June 1960. It is a country with rich natural resources like cobalt, copper, diamond, tin and gold. CDR कॉन्गो डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक की एब्रिविएशन है और ये अफ्रीका का दूसरे नंबर पे सबसे बड़ा मुल्क है और पूरी दुनिया में ये 11वें नंबर पे सबसे बड़ा मुल्क है. और ये कंट्री अपने नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज जिसमें कोबाल्ट, कॉपर, डायमंड हैं उनकी वजह से मशहूर है और इसने बेल्जियम से 30 जून 1960 को आज़ादी हासिल की. So next abbreviation is FYROM, that is stand for Former Yugoslavia Republic of Macedonia. It is a landlocked country that is located at southeast Europe. It is a kingdom of Paeonia. It's gained independence in 1991 and the population of Yugoslavia Republic of Macedonia is 2,083 million. Its 65% population is Orthodox Christians and 32% is Muslims. FYROM एब्रीविएट करता है फॉर्मर यूगोस्लाविया रिपब्लिक ऑफ मैकेडोनिया को. ये लैंडलॉक कंट्री है जो साउथ ईस्ट यूरोप पे वाक़या है. ये पायोनिया की सल्तनत है. इसने 1991 में आज़ादी हासिल की. इसकी टोटल आबादी 2083 मिलियन है जिसमें से 65% लोग जो हैं वो क्रिश्चियंस हैं और बाकी 32% लोग जो हैं उनका ताल्लुक़ मुस्लिम आबादी से है. Next one is ROL. ROL stand for Republic of Ireland. It is located at northwestern Europe. It is consisted on 26 of the 32 counties. What are counties? Counties of Ireland are historic administrative divisions of the island. Its partition of Ireland that was done in 1921. Dublin is capital and the largest city of Ireland. It is top 10 wealthiest countries in the world according to the data of World Bank. ROL रिपब्लिक ऑफ आयरलैंड की अब्रीवेशन है, ये नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न यूरोप में है। डबलिन इसका कैपिटल और सबसे बड़ा शहर है और ये दुनिया के 10 अमीर तरीन ममालिक में से एक है। नेक्स्ट वन इज़ RSA, that is stand for Republic of South Africa. It is located at southmost part of Africa. It is 23rd most populous nation of the world. Over 60 million people live here. 81% of South African peoples belong to black race. It's cover an area of 1,221,037 square kilometers. It is called Rainbow Nation or Multicolor Nation due to multicultural diversity here. Many types of culture are found here, so it is called Rainbow or Multicolor Nation. It is newly industrialized country. Industries are getting progress over here. It is second largest economy in Africa and 33rd largest economy in the world. Next one is UK, that is stand for United Kingdom. It is island nation including England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. It's covered an area of 93,628 square miles. Over 67 million people lives here. It has 6th largest economy in the world. Next one is UAE. UAE stands for United Arab Emirates. It is located at Western Asia. Arabian Peninsula is its eastern end. UAE share borders with Oman and Saudi Arabia. Abu Dhabi is its capital, but Dubai is most populous city. Dubai is also famous for its shopping centers. Official religion of UAE is Islam and official language is Arabic. UAE has 6th largest oil reserves in the world and 7th largest gas reserves in the world. Next one is USA. USA stands for United States of America. And it is 3rd largest country by land and by area. It shares land borders with Canada and Mexico and shares maritime borders with Bahamas, Cuba and Russia. It is 3rd populous country in the world with over 331 million people. Washington DC is the capital of USA and it is most populous city of USA. New York City is financial center of USA and world largest economy is of USA in the world. It holds 30% of the total wealth in the world. Next one is Yemen. Yemen stands for Yemen Republic. It is located at Western Asia. Arabian Peninsula is its southern end. It shares land borders with Saudi Arabia and Oman and shares maritime borders with Eritrea, Djibouti and Somalia. So these are some basic important political abbreviations. I hope it will be very interesting and new information for you and you will learn it very easily and quickly. You can share your opinions through comment box with me. And you can also visit our blog site and you can also join us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.